We're going to take you back outside right now to the downtown connector, and there will be plenty of rain throughout the night with storms on tap also for early tomorrow morning. Next weather meteorologist Dagmar Midcap is here to talk about the risks ahead and the big change in temperatures come Sunday, Dagmar.
Yeah, Jobina, so what we have going on at the moment is this line of rain that's already started to move into Georgia. So you've been seeing those sprinkles since about 2 p.m. This will continue, and not just continue, but pick up in the overnight hours. And this is going to sweep through overnight with an increased chance for tornadoes. Yes, I said tornadoes, but it is a slight chance still as we head into our Saturday. So looking at the severe weather risk overall today. So this includes the potential for thunderstorms, hail, flooding, all of that stuff. Now we move it into tomorrow. So you see where Atlanta is. We still definitely have that chance for severe weather in the forecast for us. Now I will isolate today's chance for tornadoes. So where you see the green, that's the marginal risk. Increased to a more moderate potential for risk for short track tornadoes. We're talking about a brief spin up here. Nothing in the long track EF4, EF5 category. That just doesn't look like it will be the case. So for tomorrow, here's still a chance, mostly in Alabama, but you notice how this is still coming into the Georgia line. So we have that potential for a slight risk for tornadoes as we head through those overnight hours from about 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So looking at the rain now for tomorrow, this will continue to sweep through in the overnight hours. And as we move into our Saturday, there you go, you're seeing this sweeping through overnight and into the afternoon hours for your tomorrow. This will continue to taper through about the 6, 7, 8 p.m. hour. So looking at the potential for any kind of rainfall here, the totals that might add up. Dalton, this is just for tomorrow, so the 24-hour period tomorrow. You were looking at the potential for maybe about a half an inch in Dalton, about the same thing in through Griffin and Eatonton. But Carrollton, the farther east and northeast you go in certain pockets, you will see anywhere, just tomorrow's 24-hour stretch now, you'll see anywhere from about an inch to an inch and a half. Overall, when this system is done, we could be seeing 2 to 3 inches of rain, isolated pockets, potentially up to as much as 5 to 6 inches. So your temperatures for tonight, mild. We're still seeing this moisture pulling off the Gulf. Anywhere from the mid-50s into about the low 60s. For tomorrow, your temperatures still on the milder side. So your Saturday, you're still looking at that. Blairsville, you will be again in that mid to upper 50 mark tonight. For tomorrow, about that low to mid 60 mark. And you're looking at Griffin and Eatonton still in the upper 60s and low 70s. So as we go ahead and look at the 7-day forecast, what are we ending up seeing here? Well, the potential for that rain continues pretty much all the way through your Saturday night. It will begin to taper through that afternoon hour, but it really does continue in spotty fashion through the evening hours of your Saturday. It will be Sunday that everything does begin to clear out. Look at your temperatures. As that cold front sweeps through, you're looking at the upper 40s, low 50s, and that's the same story for your Monday. After that, you're ending up seeing your temperatures at much more seasonably normal ranges, and that means the mid to the upper 50s under partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies. Tomorrow, mild weather moves through, a chance of thunderstorms, certainly flooding in north and northwest Georgia, but the rain does taper for the second half of your weekend. But get those coats ready. You're going to need them. Jobina?
Oh, all right. Dagmar, thank you.